Good morning, guys. Welcome to reading class. Making inferences. That's our topic. What is an inference? Copy, please. What making inferences and what is it? Please. Copy. Making if inferences. Making inferences. Quickly. Making inferences.
I finished, Santiago. I finished my so.
Okay, in here says, what is an inference? So I want you copy. Use what you already know and evidence from the text. That's what I need you copy. Use what you already know and evidence from the text. And then at the bottom says to read in between the lines and figure out what the author is saying. That's what you need to copy. An inference is a conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. What you already know. Okay? We're going to use the prior knowledge, what we already know, the text evidence, the information we are getting from the text, and we are going to come up with an inference. Okay? Don't forget that we can make inferences using the clues and pictures. Clues plus what you already know equals you make an inference, you form an idea in your mind. Stanley must be hungry. That's what she thinks. Why? Because the baby is crying. And Luke is pointing at the milk bottle. So the inferences, the idea she had is the baby is hungry. Look at this one. There is a car here and a police officer next to the window. He was probably speeding. That's what she thinks. Probablemente venía a alta velocidad. So this person is going to get a fine. Un ticket. This one. Look at this as a roller coaster. Magic Mountain. Form line here. But look at this man. He's biting his nails. Diego, what are you looking at? And Jose Enrique, you're not looking at the screen. No one has to be agachado porque nadie está copiando. ¿Verdad, Kristen? So look at this man. He's biting the nails. And he's like pulling the hair also. So this man thinks that man is scared because of the behavior. This one, look at this, the face of this boy. So what does she think? Tony does not like sushi. Or maybe we can say that he's angry. Maybe. But if you are in front of some food and you are not eating, we can make two different ideas, two different inferences. That boy is not hungry, or that boy didn't like the food. Okay? What was Shelton's mother cooking? Shelton was getting hungry. He went to the kitchen where his mom was carefully putting long, thin noodles into a pot of boiling water. In another pot, she was heating red sauce. So what is she doing? What is she cooking? Iris, what are you doing? Stop coloring.
Is cooking like a soup.
No. Listen again. Diego again. Usted está viendo para abajo. Shelton was getting hungry. He went to the kitchen. where his mom was carefully putting long, thin noodles into a pot of boiling water. In another pot, she was heating red sauce. What is she cooking?
Spaghetti.
Yes, spaghetti. Yes, noodles are los espaguetis. And red sauce?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti, I don't. Spaghetti, she's cooking spaghetti. Yes, another one. Bob came home from school one day. He happily opened the cookie jar. It was empty. He saw some crumbs, some migajas, leading to the living room. Como un camino de migajas. He saw some crumbs leading to the living room. When he entered the room, his little sister, Megan, looked up at him and smiled. She had crumbs. Why was the cookie jar empty? Why? Why? What was empty?
Because it was not food.
No. Gabriel, why was the jar empty? Why? Ryan, why was the jar empty? Why?
Wait.
Ryan, Gabriel, Sebastián, the cookie? No.
Oh, why are this?
Sebastián, José Enrique, Christopher. Why is the jar empty? Why was the cookie jar empty?
Because the girl ate all the cookies.
Yes, Megan ate all the cookies.
Yes, and the jar, the cookies is not in the jar.
No, the jar is empty because the little
She ate
sister
all the cookies.
ate the cookies. That's why. That's why she ate the cookies. Megan ate all the cookies. Now let's watch the video related with the topic. Can you make an inference? Good readers make inferences when the author does not tell everything about the characters, setting, and events. Making an inference is like putting the pieces on a puzzle together. Example, Maria and Marty wore garden gloves as they walked out the door. They had already placed the potting soil outside near the benches. In their hands, they each carried a packet of seeds. The students are going to love this. It would be so beautiful when everything blooms in the spring. Maria said to Marty, clues, garden gloves, potting soil, packet of seeds. What do you know? Okay, my dad and I garden in our backyard with these things. Inference, the school is going to plant a garden near the benches. That's the information we get from this paragraph. This is the information you have to copy. Okay, you are here. Copy, please. Let's copy not the information because we have no time. So let's copy here exercise.
We need to copy that question one and draw.
And make the draws. Yes, exercise number 1. The number 1 says, where do you think Josh and his dad were going? We need to read to answer this. Josh woke up early on Saturday morning and looked outside the window.
Miss?
Copy Josh wake up early.
No. Who can repeat to Anna what you have to copy?
Exercise in the exercise number 1. And
draw
a picture of where you think Josh and his dad went.
And the drawing. Okay, because if you copy the paragraph, it's going to take too much time. Again, let's read the paragraph. Josh woke up early on Saturday morning and looked outside the window. The sun was out and it was hot. His dad called to Josh and said, It is a perfect day. Don't forget to bring a towel. Josh grabbed a towel and they left the house. Where do you think Josh and his dad were going?
To
Where?
a pool? To the pool?
A towel.
Okay.
A towel.
To a trap. Okay. The father says, don't forget to bring a towel.
They're going to a pool,
They, okay.
because you're not gonna go to, for example, United States with just a towel.
Yeah, but to a pool or another option. Take a pill after the class, Daniel. Ask for the pill. To the pool. Another option.
Well, they go to a towel or a hot.
But a towel es una toalla. ¿Cómo van a ir a la
Jacuzzi or
toalla?
a jacuzzi. A jacuzzi. If it can be to a sauna. I don't know how to say it.
No.
But it's like a little door that when you enter, it's hot inside. How you call it?
But sauna? Sauna, it's a place with a very high temperature. And I think it's not going to be enjoyable for a kid. Or the beach. Don't you think the beach? No, come on. Jacuzzis are not.
But the father don't sneeze. But the father don't say, get a swimming.
No, no, because that's what inference mean.
Or miss.
Beach.
I'm going to the restaurant and have 2 pools.
Okay. Now, here says, draw pictures of where you think Josh and his dad went. Where did they go? Okay, so let's draw a pool. Probably they go to a park. So you have to draw a pool. We color in. And I'm gonna draw it like this because the pool is in. So this is how I add deepest to this pool. Okay, something like this. Oh, and I'm gonna draw. But I need you draw the boy, Josh and his dad.
If I'm gonna do just like this, I'm gonna do just like this.
Yeah, do it. You can do it. It's easier for you than for me.
Like he's looking up. He's looking up.
Yeah, that's what I said. It is easier for you than for me. You can draw the father and the kid. Do the drawing. And also you can draw some chairs. Maybe more people. Because when you go to the pool, there is more people, right? More people in the pool. Here, well, kind of like this, something. Let me add another color here. Lighter color. I'm just doing this one, but I need you to make the people. Draw the people. Draw Josh and his dad. And maybe you can draw some umbrellas here. Like a table, chairs and umbrellas. This is a common object close to pools. This is a table here with an umbrella. table here, a chair, and you can draw Josh. You have to draw Josh and his dad. You color the umbrella.
What?
You color the umbrella.
Miss,
Mhm.
¿qué es eso azul?
Water. It's the
Water.
pool. It's the pool. That's the idea.
Okay.
That's the idea. The umbrella, okay. You color the rest. You draw Josh and his dad. So far, so good? Okay. I think in
Yes.
this class we have no homework, right? Do we?
No, miss, no homework. We have
Homework.
homework in science. No, we have homework in science, spelling, and social. No, in other.
Okay. Okay, guys. So class is over. Thank you for your attention.